Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking out the triangle, right now Bitcoin is testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Bitcoin is going to break down the support or we are going to have another bounce for the next rally from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this chart again. And in my previous video, I briefly explained it how every time, whenever any candlestick on the monthly time frame touches the bottom of log growth chart, the next candlestick, the next monthly candlestick, never moves down than the previous candlestick which touched the bottom of this log growth chart. And we can see that we have observed this move here from May 2012 to here in October 2012. Same thing happened here from August 2015 to October 2015. Again, it repeated here from August 2016 to here in October 2016. Again, it happened here back in December 2018 to March 2019. And last time it was happened here in March 2020. And the next candles you can see were setting higher low than previous lows. And again, it is going to happen once again. If Bitcoin will repeat the history, then it can again happen this time, because this time in the previous month of May 2022, it touched here. We set a new low here that was $25,400, and now the next candlestick of June 2022 has been opened below the bottom of this log growth curves. So it is possible if Bitcoin repeats the history, then it will not, the next candlestick of June 2022 will not set a lower than the previous low of May 2022. Now let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, I was telling you even in my previous video that this is just a probability, but there is still a possibility if we will break down this support of $28,600 that we will set a new lower than previous low, and that will be one of the biggest exception in the Bitcoin's history, that it will set a new low after hitting in the previous month the bottom of Bitcoin log growth curves and setting a low at $25,400 and setting a new lower than previous low. And in this situation, I'm expecting that we can move down to test the weekly 200 simple moving average that is around at $22,000. But so far so good. This support is very good. You can see that we have tested the support here back in January 2021. We again tested the support here in June 2021, and right now we are again likely to have another bounce from the support of $28,600. We touched the support here almost 2 weeks ago, and now we are likely to have another bounce. And now this next resistance is also very significant, that we have at $33,000, but the real move will be started when we will break out this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame. Now let's move back to this triangle. This descending triangle that was formed on the 4-hour time frame, and we broke it out here. And after breakout, we are testing the resistance of the previous triangle as a support. That is a very, very nice bullish gesture for the next rally. If this test will be successful, then we can expect that Bitcoin will break out $33,000 as well. If we take a look at the target for this triangle, then we can see that our target, if I place it at the breakout point, is approximately $33,000 and $33,100. That is projecting at the resistance of $33,000, where we also have a powerful resistance of $33,000 as well. And I believe that once it will be able to break out $33,000, then it can also break out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for the falling wedge pattern will be the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.